Most people don't know this, but you can remember anything in minutes with Deepak Memory Coach at all. Memorized and remembered. Full sewage treatment concept in just 15 minutes. With Deepak Memory Coach, where studying becomes easier.
Yeah, what concept is this, Atul?
Sir, it is sewage treatment plant.
Perfect. Yes, close your eyes.
Sewage treatment plant. The sewage water has organic matter, which is a major part, along with pathogenic microbes. We can also call it municipal sewage water. In the sewage treatment, we have two steps. First is primary treatment, which is also known as physical treatment. Second is biological treatment, which is secondary treatment. Primary treatment occurs in two steps. First, we have filtration, then we have sedimentation. In filtration, in primary treatment, we use physical methods for removing small and large particles. The sedimented part is known as primary sludge, and the supernatant, which is sewage water, is known as primary effluent. Then the primary effluent is transferred to aeration tank for secondary treatment. In secondary treatment, in aeration tank, it is constantly agitated mechanically, in which we transfer air into it. The oxygen from the air is consumed by phlox. Phlox is bacteria, aerobic bacteria plus fungi, which is present initially in the sewage water. The flux use oxygen to oxidize the organic matter and decrease the BOD level of sewage water. BOD is biochemical oxygen demand. BOD refers to the amount of oxygen consumed by bacteria to oxidize all organic matter present in 1 liter of water. Then this sewage is secondary effluent. It's transferred to settling tank. In settling tank, the flux is sedimented, which is known as activated sludge. From activated sludge, we remove a small amount, which is known as inoculum. It is transferred to carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide, which is known as biogas. It is source of energy and it is inflammable.
Fantastic, on dot, superb. So one full page, such a huge concept. Yes, Atul, how easy it was memorizing using this technique?
Like I am able to see the flow chart. Like I am seeing filtration, sedimentation, then below points, then come to activated sludge and see the diagram, and just I'm seeing and speaking to you. It's like
Fantastic.
that.
Fantastic. Yes, now how much time did you save? Earlier, if at all you had to memorize this concept, how much time would you take? And today, how much time you took?
But it may take hours, 1-2, and here it is done in 15 to 20 minutes.
Superb, no? What you are doing in 2 hours, you reduced it to 15 minutes. And
Yes.
you remember 100%. 100%. Yeah. So which exam you want to crack?
NEET exam, sir.
Okay, now how confident are you to crack your NEET exam?
Everything easy and I remember properly.
And how many more concepts are you planning like this?
Sir, it has one more part that I will add in it, and then it's a whole chapter. 3 topic more in
Yes.
it.
Superb, great job. Great job.